Hello world, how are you doing? So for today's video I want to share something I've been doing for a long time, making a concrete or asphalt texture for diorama. I used to make this for my Bandai Saint Seiya action figures. Some of the photos have been gone, but here's some photos I made around 10 years ago. I think this technique can be used for making an asphalt for your diorama. Consider this video as an alternative for making a textured asphalt. Some people using a sandpaper for the asphalt, but sandpaper have a limit in size. And when you connect two or more sandpaper you'll see the connection, and it's hard to hide it. But with this method, no matter the size, no matter the shape or slope, nothing can stop you. Unless it's raining outside, you have to take your laundry inside, or your mother calls you, whatever the reason is, nothing can stop that. So let's get started. First thing to do is make a base. I'm using a PVC board, but you can use anything else such as cardboard, plywood, or anything as long as it won't be deformed when making contact with water, or you can cover it with duct tape before applying the PVA glue. Spread the PVA glue evenly with anything you have. I used leftover pieces of PVC board. Sprinkle the sand on top of it. There's two options here. 1. If you want to make a flat asphalt like on the racing track, you can remove all the sand that doesn't stick by turning it upside down and tapping it. Then drip a glue that already mixed with water. Or 2. If you want to make a street asphalt, which is uneven, you can go ahead drip the glue mixed water right away, and wait for it to be dry completely, or you can use a hairdryer to make it dry fast. Next is obvious, paint it black. Or you can leave it as is, if you want to make a beach or desert diorama. Mix black a little bit of white to make a gray color, and do dry brush so it won't be too flat. That's it. You're done. Here's some spinning shot. I also made some printed asphalt and diamond plate. You may ask, if you can print it, why you need to go all the troubles with sand and glue to make this? Well, I believe not everyone have a printer at home, and I believe this way is more cheaper than printed on digital printing. So thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe, share and leave a comment.